So clean, can she cut that question been harassing me in the mind? This girl is fine. I done came to the club out 50 times. Then I play with your line. The club wanna say I need to calm down. Security guard gonna sweat me now. Play a and a mug, threaten me now.
She getting drunk in the club, I mean she working. And then I like to see them females. I put a pop your thing like this, cause you ain't twin in this. Lil' John and the East Side boys with me, and we all like to see. So bring yourself over here, girl, and let me see you get low. If you want this dude, now take it to the floor. But if you wanna act, you can keep yourself where you at.
3, 6, 9, damn good time. Just sing it to me one more time. Roll, get low, get low, get low, get low, get low, get low.
Y'all ladies talking a little bit out there, a little bit. But y'all gotta talk a little harder than that. Ladies, if you look good tonight, we need to see you break it down. Like